Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to upload images to ChatGPT in laptop. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to upload images to ChatGPT in laptop. When you are in ChatGPT, just click in the plus icon. After that, you can here add photos and file, or here you have add from apps. Here you have Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, I will select add photos and files because I have the photo in my laptop. After that, just select the images you want to upload. Okay, for example this one, just double click and just wait few seconds until it download. Okay, now it's done. After that, click the send icon. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to upload images to ChatGPT in laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.